All right, just a quick update on Black Betty 10-inch dual voice coil portable Bluetooth speaker I made. And I was running a DeWalt lithium 20-volt battery system in it, and I said, oh, well, wait a minute here. They make 24-volt Kobalts. So I converted this sucker to 24 volts to run that little digital chip amplifier at full tilt. And to charge up the battery, this guy right here, 240 watts. And it works great. When the battery starts to discharge, one quick thing, I'm sitting at 22.1 right now, and we'll take a look at where the fuel meter is on the battery itself. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside here with this battery. It's pretty damn slick with this thing in there. It's a 24 volt 6 amp hour Kobalt clone I got on Amazon for like 35 bucks or whatever. It just pulls out, and I also got this adapter with pigtails and a 30 amp fuse going into my system here. But this is the battery itself. It's not a true Kobalt, but whatever. And the thing that I like about it, 144 watt hours, so it's a 144 watt battery with a 240 watt charger. I mean, it takes no time to charge this thing up. And it's fully BMS protected and all that. It's showing 2 bars. So I've been running it a lot. So good play time with this, and listen to this. Clicks right in, real cool. Good and solid for this type of, portable boombox. You want something in there nice and snug. I had a normal 10 amp hour lithium battery in there, kind of Velcroed in. So this is locked in good and tight. And the reason why I went with 24 is these little digital chip amplifiers just put out the power when you run them. They come with like a 19 volt powered adapter, AC to DC adapter that you plug in stock. But if you run them at 24, it just jumps the power out, to push this 10-inch Scar Audio IX series woofer to full boogie. I mean, it's not like crazy subwoofer deep low that you'd expect, but it's got some hellaciously great sound for a build like this. It's got plenty of bass, plenty of treble. Running these PRV tweeters. These are pure silk down, and I bedlined this steel grill here, as you know, and just one switch turns everything on. Little lighted VU meters, as I said before, about 24 pounds total. That's all she wrote. Just wanted to do an update for y'all. Sounds great. I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm pretty hard to please, because I'm just a freaking speaker junkie. And I got speakers freaking everywhere. This guy here, 10-inch powered with a car subwoofer cabinet with handles. And I got a 15-inch right over here I made. That thing freaking bellows out the low bass. Crazy. Crazy. Got casters on it, handles, powered 15-inch subwoofer. Jack of all trades. PA, gigging, home, garage, workshop, whatever. And there you have it. All right, thanks for watching. Speakerville, Solarville. That's what I do. Later.